Car's locked. Lock in. Dig it a few times that way. If it doesn't work that side, because obviously it needs to bed in, pull it out, turn it around, push it back in. Use the other hand because it's easier to show you on this one. Just do it with a couple more wiggles, and that's it. Just 2 wiggles the other side, and look how easy it opened. Locked, opened. So it's easier. If you can't do it a few times that side, twist it round, and as you can see, all the pins are moved. Always make sure when you're pulling it in and out that guide's pushed in when you're pulling it out, because otherwise you'll pull the pins out. Good little tool, HU66 for VW Audis and all that lot.